10. Lamarckism, also known as inheritance of acquired characteristics, proposed by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. This theory suggests that organisms change over their lifetime in response to their environment and pass these acquired traits to their offspring. For example, Lamarck believed giraffes developed long necks because their ancestors stretched to reach higher leaves. 9. Darwinism, also known as natural selection. Charles Darwin proposed that individuals with traits better suited to their environment survive and reproduce more, passing those traits to the next generation. Over time, this leads to gradual changes in species, driving evolution. 8. Mutation theory. Hugo de Vries suggested that evolution occurs through sudden, random mutations in genes, rather than gradual changes. Some mutations provide advantages, leading to natural selection favouring those changes. 7. Neo-Darwinism, also known as modern synthesis. This theory combines Darwin's natural selection with Mendelian genetics, explaining how genetic variations arise through mutations and recombination. It emphasises that evolution occurs through gradual accumulation of genetic changes over generations. 6. Punctuated equilibrium, proposed by Stephen Jay Gould and Niles Eldredge. This theory suggests that evolution happens in rapid bursts, followed by long periods of little change. Instead of gradual transformation, species remain stable for long periods and then evolve quickly in response to major environmental changes. 5. Genetic drift. This theory states that evolution can occur due to random changes in gene frequencies within small populations. Unlike natural selection, genetic drift is not driven by adaptation, but by chance events that alter genetic diversity. 4. Endosymbiotic theory. Proposed by Lynn Margulis, this theory explains the evolution of complex cells by suggesting that mitochondria and chloroplasts originated as independent bacteria that were engulfed by larger cells. Over time, they formed a symbiotic relationship, leading to the development of eukaryotic cells. 3. Gaia hypothesis. Proposed by James Lovelock, this idea suggests that Earth's biological and physical systems interact in a self-regulating manner to maintain conditions suitable for life. While not a traditional evolutionary theory, it proposes that life and the environment evolve together in a feedback system. 2. Neutral theory of molecular evolution. Motu Kimura proposed that most genetic mutations are neutral and do not affect an organism's fitness. Evolution at the molecular level is primarily driven by genetic drift rather than natural selection. 1. Epigenetic inheritance and evolution. This theory suggests that environmental influences can modify gene expression without changing the DNA sequence, and some of these changes can be inherited. It adds a layer of complexity to evolution by proposing that non-genetic factors contribute to heritable traits.